What's up mga kazone? I hope you guys are having a nice day. Today we are going to review this figure. It's Pacific Rim Uprising Robotspirits Gipsy Avenger by Bandai. Its height is almost 7 inches high. Well, just a short story before we do review. Gipsy Avenger is a Mark 6 Jaeger and the namesake of Gipsy Avenger in the movie Pacific Rim, which was released in 2013. It is a robot war machine, and if you watch the movie Pacific Rim Uprising, which was released 2018, it's a very nice movie and a must see. Oh, by the way, in the movie, this Gipsy Avenger was launched in 2034 by Pan-Pacific Defense Corps, or PPDC. These Jaegers are gigantic robots. They need 2 pilots in order to operate. Well, in my future videos, we are going to review more of the Pacific Rim figures or Jaegers that I have, so you better watch out, okay? So, by the way, this figure, I bought it brand new in AliExpress, and it came on time. But you know, I discarded the box as I have to display this figure, so I'm sorry I cannot show you the box right now. But still, we're doing a review on this figure. So please follow me and let us do a review, okay? So mga kazone, here is Gipsy Avenger by Bandai, and these are the accessories. So let's start with the set of hands. I call this the Plasma Buster. I don't know what it's really called. And this is the sword and the booster packs. It's just a simple piece. These are made of plastic, by the way. And this is the figure. Well, it's a nice detail. It's light. You can see the translucent chest engine there. You got the logo, numbers there, number, and that's the back. So what we're going to do is we are going to attach this booster packs at the back there and there. Let's go first with the articulation. With the head, there's nothing much movement, but it can go all the way 360. It can't look up much and down. This is what I don't like, the articulation on this part here. You see it's a peg there, or ball joint, and because of the shoulder pads right here, you can't do much, so it just goes this way. But if you go this way, so far it can go. It can rotate. Yes, you have to be careful. And you can rotate here. There's a joint, you can see there, and there's nothing much we can do with the hands because of the wrist guard here, so it doesn't do much, but it can rotate still. And the diaphragm here, articulation, you have to go up and down just to rotate it all the way. But you know, you have to be really careful. There's nothing here, but here, see, there is a ball joint there again. You can go this high. You can kick this high. In the back, it's not bad. And there, for the knee. There's a double joint there. And on the feet, it can go back. It goes this way only. And it can move around, not too much, side to side. And you have to be careful on the hip because it might snap. So it goes that way, it can go wide, and there. So if you want to replace the hands, you have to snap this side here. There. You can put this and remove the hands here. There. It's not bad. You have to watch the movie in order to appreciate this figure right here. So there you have it, guys. Gipsy Avenger by Bandai. I hope you guys like the review. You can leave a comment if you want. I'd love to hear from you. Click the like and share and subscribe button if you have not yet, and hit the notification bell so you will get updated on our next videos. Okay? Bye!